Simply allowing the breath to draw us deeper into this moment. Releasing what came before this moment and what might come after, and simply focusing on the inhale and the exhale. So right where we are, we take a community breath and a complete exhale. On the next inhale, drawing the crown of the head high and the spine long. And on the exhale, relaxing deeply. We turn within, acknowledging the power of silence, the power of a quiet mind. This is not a mind without thought or sound. It is a mind that has developed the space to step apart for a while in a consciousness of tuning in and tuning up. So we breathe together in this moment, creating space, breathing into love in the meditation of the silence. May the babes in this sanctuary and beyond the walls be blessed by a life that knows silence and the power of meditation, the power of mindfulness.